Hello folks, I welcome you all in our channel We Learn English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to We Learn English Easily. How are you all? I hope you all are fit as fiddle. So as you know that we have completed our syllabus and now we are doing the revision. Okay, so in today's revision class we are going to revise the poem Fairies. Okay, so this is a poem written by Rose Flyman. Okay, but before starting the poem, let me tell you something about the poet. Okay, so the poet is an English writer, or you can say a poet. She was born in 1877 and died in 1957. Okay, she mostly wrote about the fairy folk for children. Okay, वो बच्चों के लिए mostly fairies के बारे में लिखती है, छोटी परियों के बारे में वो लिखती है. She also wrote plays for children. वो बच्चों के लिए नाटक भी लिखती हैं. Okay, so now let's come back to the topic. It means on the poem. So this poem is about fairies, or you can say a little girl is there who is imagining herself as the fairy queen, and all the little girls are fairies. Okay, because girls are also like fairies. Okay, so let's read the poem. There are fairies at the bottom of our garden. Okay, a girl is telling that on the bottom of their garden there are fairies. It's not so very far away, and the garden is not very far away from her house. You pass the gardener's shed. Okay, what you have to do to reach the garden, you'll just have to pass the gardener's shed and you'll have to go straight, and there you will find the garden, and on the bottom of the garden there are fairies. Okay, now let me make you understand in Hindi. There are fairies at the bottom of our garden. हमारे गार्डन के नीचे फेरीज रहती हैं, परियां रहती हैं. इट्स नॉट सो वेरी फार अवे, और वो हमसे ज्यादा दूर नहीं है. मीन्स गर्ल इज टेलिंग कि उनके घर के और गार्डन के बीच में थोड़ी दूरी है, तो वो बताती है कि उनका जो घर है वो गार्डन से ज्यादा दूरी पर नहीं है. यू पास द गार्डनर शेड. आपको क्या करना है गार्डन तक पहुंचने के लिए? जो गार्डनर का शेड है, जो गार्डनर के रहने के लिए जो जगह बनाई गई है, सिर्फ उसको पास करना है, वहां से गुजरना है और सीधे जाना है, और वहां आप हमारे गार्डन में पहुंच जाएंगे. ओके, व्हाट इज आवर नेक्स्ट स्टेनेजा? I do so hope they have really come to stay. Okay, I can't believe, or you can say it's my fortunate. I'm fortunate that they have come to stay in our garden. There's a little wood. Okay, there is a little wood. Wood, it means a small forest with moss. Moss, it means soft green grass. And beetles. Beetles, it means a type of insects. So she is telling that in the garden there is a small wood. It means a small forest, and in the forest there are soft green grass, and also some types of insects are there, and a little stream that quietly runs through, and also a stream. Stream, it means a jharna. So there is also a stream that quietly runs through. You wouldn't think they would dare to come merry making there. Okay, you can't believe that they have come in our garden for merry making. It means for the celebration they have come in our garden. Well, they do, और हाँ वो करते भी हैं. So now in Hindi, I do so hope they have really come to stay. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ या मैं सोचती हूँ कि वो यहाँ आए हैं हमारे यहाँ गार्डन में रहने. There is a little wood. एक छोटा सा जंगल है जिसमें सॉफ्ट हरी घास लगी हुई है, और कुछ इंसेक्ट्स भी हैं वहाँ पे, और एक छोटा सा झरना है जो बहुत ही आराम से बहता है. You wouldn't think, आप सोच नहीं पाएंगे या विश्वास नहीं करेंगे कि ये जितनी भी फेरीज हैं ये हमारे गार्डन में सेलिब्रेशन के लिए आए हैं. ओके, वेल, और अच्छा, दे डू, वो सेलिब्रेशन करते भी हैं. देयर आर नेक्स्ट स्टेनेजा. देयर आर फेरीज एट द बॉटम ऑफ आवर गार्डन. It means in the garden there are fairies. They often have a dance on summer nights. It means oftenly they dance on summer nights. The butterflies and bees make a lovely little breeze. Breeze, it means a type of sound, or you can say a type of music. Okay, whenever bees are there, and whenever flies are there, they used to buzz, and whichever the sound comes, it makes a lovely breeze. Okay, and the rabbit stand out and holds the light, and she is telling then in their celebration what happens and what the natural things help them. So she is telling that the butterflies and bees makes a lovely sound for them, and the rabbits holds the lights for them. Did you know that they could sit upon the moonbeams? And you won't believe that they can sit on the moonbeams also and pick a little star to make a fun. And they can also pick a star only for fun and dance away up there in the middle of the air. And they can also dance in the middle of the air. Well, they can. Okay. Now in Hindi, there are fairies at the bottom of our garden. हमारे garden के नीचे fairies हैं. They often have a dance of summer nights. और कई बार गर्मियों की रातों में वो डांस भी करती हैं, नृत्य भी करती हैं. किसके लिए? सेलिब्रेशन के लिए, खुद का एंजॉयमेंट करने के लिए वो करती हैं ये सब. The butterflies and bees make a lovely little breeze. और जितनी भी बटरफ्लाइज होती हैं, जो बीज होती हैं, वो उनके हेल्प करती हैं कि जब वो डांस करती हैं तो बटरफ्लाइज और बीज अपने साउंड से, मीन्स जब वो बज करती हैं, उस बजिंग से एक अच्छा सा म्यूजिक वो बनाती हैं फेरीज के डांस के लिए. एंड द रैबिट स्टैंड्स आउट एंड होल्ड्स द लाइट. और रैबिट जो है वो खड़े होते हैं उनके लिए लाइट पकड़कर, ताकि वो डांस अच्छे से कर पाए, उनको अच्छे से लाइट मिल पाए. Did you know they could sit upon the moonbeams? आपको पता है कि वो मून बीम्स पर बैठ सकती है. मीन्स वो चांद के ऊपर भी बैठ सकती हैं, चांद के किनारे पर बैठ सकती हैं, और वो एक तारे को पकड़ भी सकती हैं सिर्फ फन के लिए, हंसी मजाक के लिए. एंड डांस अवे अप देयर इन द मिडल ऑफ द एयर. और हवा के बीच में डांस भी कर सकती हैं. वेल दे कैन. हाँ, वो कर सकती हैं. व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट, Tanaja? There are fairies at the bottom of our garden. In our garden, there are fairies. You cannot think how beautiful they are, and you can't even believe how beautiful they are. They all stand up and sing when the fairy queen and king come gently floating down upon their car. Okay, and she is telling whenever the king and the queen of fairies comes in the floating car, all the fairies stand up and they sing and dance for them to welcome them. The king is very proud and handsome, and the king is very proudy, but he is very handsome also. The queen, now you can guess who that could be. Okay, now you have to guess who can be the queen. She's a little girl all day, but at night she steals away. Okay, वो पूरे दिन तो एक लड़की रहती है, means all the day she will be a little girl, a normal girl, but at night she will transform herself in a fairy. Well, it's me. Okay, now in Hindi I'm gonna tell you. There are fairies at the bottom of our garden. हमारे गार्डन में फेरीज हैं, और आप सोच भी नहीं सकते कि वो कितनी सुंदर हैं. They all stand up. वो सारी खड़ी होती हैं and sing, और गाना गाती हैं when the fairy queen and king come. जब फेरी किंग और क्वीन आते हैं, gently floating down upon their car. अपनी जो कार है उसको, उनकी कार हवा में तैरती है. जब उनकी कार हवा में से तैरती हुई उस गार्डन में आती हैं, तो सारी परियां जो है एक साथ खड़ी होती हैं, उनका वेलकम करती हैं, गाना गाती हैं और डांस करती हैं. द किंग इज वेरी प्राउड एंड वेरी हैंडसम. जो किंग है बहुत घमंडी है लेकिन बहुत हैंडसम भी है. द क्वीन, नाउ यू कैन गेस हु दैट कुड बी. अब क्वीन के बारे में आपको सोचना है कि वो कौन हो सकती है. शी इज लिटिल गर्ल ऑल डे. वो पूरे दिन तो एक लड़की रहती है, बट एट नाइट शी स्टील्स अवे. लेकिन वो रात के समय में चुपचाप से निकल जाती है और एक परी बन जाती है. वेल, अच्छा, इट्स मी, ये मैं हूँ. मीन्स द लिटिल गर्ल इज टेलिंग हरसेल्फ एज अ क्वीन एंड ऑल हर फ्रेंड्स आर फेरीज. Okay, so this was the poem, and now I'm going to show you some hard words, and then we will do some MCQs related to the chapter. Okay. What is question number first? Who is the fairy queen in the poem? And the options we have her friends the little girl C. Poet. Yes, tell the answer. Okay, if you know the answer already, then you can tell me in the comment section. Otherwise, I'm gonna write the answer. Okay, very good. The little girl imagines herself, or you can say the little girl describes herself as the queen. Okay? Okay, what is next question? Question number 2. There are fairies. Okay, where are the fairies? We'll have to tell. And the options we have in the gardener's shed, B. At the bottom of the poet's garden, and C is inside the poet's house. The poet's house. Okay, yes, what is the correct answer? Very good. At the bottom of the poet's garden. Okay, what is question number 3? The word has. It means जंगल में क्या क्या है? And the options are moss and beetles. B is moss and grasshopper, and C is grasshoppers and beetles. Yes, what is the correct answer? Very good. Moss and beetles. Moss, it means soft green grass, and beetles, it means type of insects. Okay. What is next question? The butterflies and bees word. Options we have: hold up the lights. B is create a breeze, and C is sit on the moonbeams. Yes, what is the correct answer? Very good. Create a breeze. What is next question? Who holds up the lights? Butterflies, bees, and C, rabbits. Very good. The correct answer is rabbits. Okay. What is question number 6? The fairies make a fun. Options we have: with the moonbeams. B is using moss, and C is with a star. Okay, what is the correct answer? Very good. With a star is the correct answer. What is next question? What runs through quietly. And the options we have: water, B, stream, and C, air. Yes, what is the correct answer? Very good. Stream is the correct answer. What is question number 8? Where does the fairies dance? Options we have: in the middle of the air, on the star, and what is C? On the moonbeam. Yes, what is the correct answer? Very good. In the middle of the air is the correct answer. What is question number 9? The fairies stand up and sing. Yes, and the options we have: to welcome the fairy queen and king. What is next? When they are merrymaking. And last option we have, that is when they are leaving the forest. Okay, what is the correct answer? Very good. To welcome the fairy queen and the king. Okay, that's it, students. We have completed the poem. Hope you have understood. So if you have any doubt, then you can tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.